Research Rocks. In this video, we will see comparison between iPhone 17 Pro Max, GoPro Hero 13 and Osmo Pocket 3. Which one is the best? After watching this video, you should purchase if you're looking some video gadgets, especially for content creators. I record the video in same. Afterward, you should decide which product is really impressive to purchase, especially for video recording. And I'm not edit anything, I just put it raw content as it is recorded using my Final Pro Cut, export and upload on YouTube. After watching this video, you should provide me in comment section which video is quite impressive and which product is good. So let's start as a demonstration. So I just simply start the recording from 4K and 60 frame per second GoPro, same as it is iPhone and same as it is Osmo Pocket 3. Mic testing 1 2 3. So this is the frame you are receiving currently from 3 different devices. Frame 1 coming from Osmo Pocket 3, middle frame coming from iPhone 17 Pro Max, right hand frame coming from Osmo Pocket 3, GoPro Hero 13. So which frame you like, accordingly you should decide. Currently I'm recording this video in-house, top of my head, one of the light. After that you receiving such a frame. Which frame is really impressive, you should decide. And now we can check as a mic testing as well inside the room. Currently you are receiving the voice coming from Osmo Pocket 3. I am continuously speaking here. Osmo Pocket 3 is one of the best. And mic testing, Research Rocks. Now you're receiving the voice coming from iPhone 17 Pro Max. Welcome to Research Rocks. This is the comparison of 3 different devices: Osmo Pocket 3, iPhone 17 Pro Max and Hero GoPro 13. This is the voice coming from iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now I shifted to GoPro Hero 13. Welcome to Research Rocks. This is the comparison of Osmo Pocket 3, iPhone 17 Pro Max and GoPro Hero 13. So this is the voice comparison. So this is the simple video comparison in-house for 3 different devices. Which clarity you like, accordingly you should decide and provide me in comment section in below. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.